What would I say are the benefits of a seller going creative or sub two? Well, the obvious benefit is they get an immediate sale. And in a lot of cases, they can get a premium price. Now, we routinely offer more than asking price. And in some cases, have even offered above market value to be able to get a property on terms. I had this conversation with a student a few days ago when she asked me, how do you know if a property is a better candidate for a short sale or a sub two? And I said, well, it depends on what your exit strategy is. If you're like me and you want to sell it with seller financing, then you can overpay, but not too much. Now, if your plan is to live in the house or to use it as a rental, what difference does it make what you pay for it? If you absolutely love that house, you've fallen in love with it, it's going to be your home forever, and it's worth 300,000, and the seller said, well, I'll take $1 million for it. And you said, okay, well, I can probably pay $1 million. Will you take 200 a month? And they said, yeah, I'll do that. Well, okay, do the deal, because it doesn't make any difference. If you're going to live in it, then you may not mind paying $200 a month for that house for the rest of your life. If you're going to use it as a rental, same scenario. Can you pay $1 million for a $300,000 house? Well, yeah. If the seller agrees to take $200 a month and it'll rent for 15, and you can cash flow over $1,000 a month, what difference does it make what you're paying for it? If you can cash flow $1,000 a month forever, hey, I mean, really, you just have to change your way of thinking when you're talking about creative finance. Now, again, the benefits to a seller going creative, a lot of times, in most cases for us, if they're in distress, if they're in foreclosure or they're getting a divorce and they can't make their payments and they don't want their credit to be fried, then it's a quick sale. And for some sellers, it's a delayed capital gains expenditure. They don't have to pay all of that tax on profit up front. It can be strung out over a period of time. There's a couple of different possible benefits to sellers, but it's not always a benefit. Some sellers will only benefit from an all cash sale. At least in their mind, that's the only way they can benefit. But for some sellers, they need the cash to buy a new house or to do something specific. And that's okay. But there are a few sellers and a few situations that doing creative or sub two will help. Generally, it's going to be needing a quick sale or trying to delay capital gains taxes. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.